like that.
That's not a cell phone. That's a house phone.
Yeah, that's the house phone.
How does this thing work?
That's the house
Oh,
phone.
I hate you. No, I'm using the phone.
No,
Yeah.
you gotta use that phone.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Who are you calling?
You gotta go use that.
No.
You gotta go use that phone.
I'm not gonna use that phone.
The only phone number I know.
Who? Your grandma?
Yeah.
It actually works. Well, I don't know its number, so I can't.
I'll tell you.
No. Bye.
What the hell?
Don't record this non-stop.
I just want to see how you use it.
Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Come on.
Stop. Stop.
You have to pick up the phone.
What's the number?
Okay, I'll let them do it.
What's the number?
715.
Yeah.
Declare your diamond kind of love. Now through Valentine's Day, save 30% off hundreds of gifts show love. Only at Zales, the diamond store.
That was
Oh, you got to start over. If you did the wrong number, you got to start all over.
You gotta hang up. Now you gotta listen for the dial tone. Put the phone up to your ear.
There's a great big
715.
How do I do it then?
Just like
Hang it up. Start over.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Now pick up the phone.
Okay.
Now put your finger in the hole by the 7. Now spin it all the way to the silver thing. Now let it go.
1, 5,
3, 6, 9, 3, 2, 7.
Okay, is this the right?
Oh, you got to start all over.